Yearly Projected Balance Sheet Statements Tutorial and Instructions. The yearly balance sheet statement is a financial report of a company that gives a view of the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Taken together, an observation of these three pieces of the financial puzzle provide investors, lenders, management, and all interested parties an idea as to what the company owns and owes, as well as the amount invested by stakeholders. The balance sheet provides a measure of a business's value at a particular point in time. It is considered a snapshot in time. The template has the yearly balance sheet statement projection summary pasted into the business plan Word document. This statement is taken from the Excel workbook. Users of the Plug and Plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own statement projections.